Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you'll use. This gives context and assets immediately. Once done, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can inspect objects and settings. Next, save a version copy, press Ctrl+S and add a version number so you can revert if needed. Then locate the workspace and terrain. These are where you'll place objects and build spaces. Finally, create a folder in Workspace to organize the room or map elements before modeling. Now you build the space. Insert parts for walls, floors, and props, and use the scale and rotate tools to match desired proportions. Make sure to anchor static pieces so physics won't move them, and group related parts into a model for easier manipulation. Once grouped, adjust collision, transparency, and material to balance visuals and performance. For complex shapes, import mesh parts or sculpt terrain. This reduces part count. While working, frequently playtest to check player navigation and lighting transitions. Finish by publishing your place and testing it both in Play Solo and as separate client sessions so you see networking behaviors. Verify spawn location, collisions, and that interactive scripts replicate correctly between server and client. If something fails, check the output for errors, confirm objects aren't unintentionally non-collidable, and look at performance stats for high part or texture counts. If lighting or assets break, rebake lighting, reduce texture sizes, and ensure assets are uploaded and set public or to the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.